Hello all, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the course on sequence and series for IIT-JEE. In this lecture, we're going to discuss about the spatial series. So let us recall, we have seen some of the arithmetic and geometric progressions in the previous lecture. Now it's time to see some spatial series. So firstly, let us understand the notation sigma. The sigma is denoted by summation and we often call it sigma, right? Then sigma I means we have to sum from 1 to n up to I term. So this is equals to summation n term. So we are basically try to sum up the numbers up to n, right? This is means of sigma n. Then we calculate sigma for I plus 1 upon I plus 2 from I equals to 1 to n, and this is simply the summation of the each and every term, putting the values 1 2 3 4 in the succession, right? Then we have the sigma a. Then sigma a is nothing but m times a. So m times a is m into a, which is where a is a constant, right? Then summation I equals to 1 to m, I equals to 1 to m ai, right? So this is basically a is the constant, then summation I, then I means up to m, right? So 1 plus 2 plus up to m into a times, right? Then summation I equals to 1 to n I cube minus 2 iota square plus iota. So here we are need to calculate the summation. So simply we split the terms in the three sections and try to find the sum of each and every one separately, right? Now it is important results. So important result is what? The sum of first n natural numbers. If we are need to find out the sum of the first n natural numbers, then we need to calculate the sum as summation I equals to 1 to n times. So basically we are try to calculate the summation of n first natural numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n, right? So then this is denoted by the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Simply we need to summation of n into n plus 1 and divide the whole expression by 2. Similarly, if we need to calculate the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, then we need to calculate the summation n square, means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So if we simplify it, then it is got to be 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 up to so on. And for this type of series, we have direct formula. This is known as n plus n plus 1, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, right? So now the sum of cubes of first n natural number. So similarly, the cube formula is nothing but if we calculate the summation n and then taking the square of the summation n. So this is n into n plus 1 by 2 ka whole square, right? Now if we calculate the sum of the n term of a sequence, the sequence is such that an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. So we need to split the terms as a, b, c, d are the constants. Then we need to separate the terms and apply the sigma sign over them, which is equals to summation n cube plus summation n square plus summation n plus dn, right? Then find the sum of the series. So the question is, now we are trying to do some question. So the question is 3 into 5 plus 6 into 8 plus 9 into 11 up to n terms. So here the n terms of the first number, first series, like it is 3 6 9, right? So this is 3n, and similarly the second series 5 8, so it is 3n plus 2, right? 3n plus 2. So if we calculate the summation, then we need to multiply both the terms, right? So here we are, what are we doing, that we are finding the general term by using the given question. And if we are able to successfully find the general term, then we have nothing to do much, but we just multiply them, and then what we got is 9n square plus 6n. Then we need to calculate the sum, so it is simple, 9 into summation n square plus 6 into summation n. When we simplify it, then we got the result as 3n n plus 1 to 2n plus 3 by 2. So in this lecture only this much is required. So now in the upcoming lecture we are going to see about arithmetic and geometric series. So right, in the next lecture we are going to see about arithmetico geometric progression, right? Right, in the arithmetico geometric progression. So thank you so much and have a nice day.